Hello Sleek Bill users. Welcome to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to enable and customize terms in your Delivery Challan. First, open your browser and visit the official Sleek Bill website. Click on the login button available at the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your registered email ID and password, then click on Sign In. After successful login, you will reach the dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Preferences. Inside Preferences, locate and click on Delivery Challan. Now find the option called Show Terms and Conditions. Enable this option by clicking on the toggle button. After enabling the terms, click on the Save button. Now create a new Delivery Challan or open an existing one. You will now see the Terms and Conditions section displayed at the bottom of the Delivery Challan.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with others in need. For more videos like this, click the bell icon and subscribe.